She will receive a certificate of awards, a sash, and a trophy. Ayan po.
Please, our judges, please help us assist.
And a rose. May rose pala.
Attire mo is different for best in gown. So the way you walk, the way you carry yourself, you are entitled for the award Best in Attire. Miss Tai Chong! Miss Tai Chong!
Miss Tai Chong.
Si Maras.
Simple, like the way she walks, the way she does on the stage.
Thank you so much